Keith Colbert. Welcome to Casey's Kitchen. I'll be doing some recipes that's easy and fun and something that you and your guests will truly enjoy. Tonight we're going to do some T-bones on the grill. Go all the way back to the basics. Salt, kosher, pepper, black. And remember the number one rule, dry, dry, dry. You do that and we're going to have an excellent steak. Okay, it's quiz time. I know you've been waiting for this. All right, here we go. Ichiban Kaseyo. I know my Korean's improving. Chichiban Kaseyo. Chichiban Kaseyo. Okay, I know you're going to pick this one really quick. Leave your comments below, and I hope you win. I'll send you something out nice. See you soon. Peace and love. Okay, I'm going to spray the grill with a little bit of Pam. This kind of keeps the meat from sticking to it. It gives you a really good, beautiful sear on your steak. Now I'm going to do some cooking, different cooking temperatures on these. So I'm going to put one on first. No, I'll just do them all. Too easy. Then just cook one a little bit longer. Steak. You gonna judge steak for me? Well, there's no contest. Okay? No contest. I did. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Papa barbecuing? Yeah. You want some steak? This is the basic. This is, yeah. This is the basic. Just black pepper. Kosher salt. Too easy. I know. But I did a contest. Ichibang Chantayo. I think. Yeah? Is that good? We're going to get some really nice grill marks on that. I think you're really going to enjoy these steaks. Well, I'll say this. We're really going to enjoy these steaks. Bye-bye. A New York strip on this side and a filet mignon on this side. So it's a great piece of meat, very tasty. Now let's cut this thing and see what we got here. Now it cooks on the grill, so it's a little different. But check it out. This is excellent. Let me cut it Look at that bad boy. Look at the juice running out of that. That is unbelievable. Let's try this. Oh God, this is great. You gotta try this at home. Too easy. Enjoy. Back to the basics. Salt, pepper, dry. Try it. Leave comments below. Have a great evening or day. Peace and love. Always. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Surprisingly, I've got a quiz. Let's do it. Again. Chichiban Taiseo. Sisibun Taiseo. Yeah, that's it. Leave your comments below. Oh, one more time? You sure? Okay, we'll try. One more time. Chichibam Taiseo. I think that's it. Comment, let me know. I'll send you something else cool. Peace and love.